Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best food processors to buy in 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Kitchen in the Box 400W Food Processor, 2-speed, 8-cup capacity, dual S-blades, overheating protection. Simplify your food prep with the Kitchen in the Box 400W Food Processor. Equipped with a powerful all-copper motor, this machine features an upgraded overheating protection system for enhanced durability and safety. It includes 2 8-cup bowls, 1 stainless steel for grinding meat and 1 glass for other foods, along with 2 sets of bi-level stainless steel blades for efficient chopping and grinding. With 2 adjustable speeds, effortlessly chop vegetables, grind meat, or prepare soups, sauces, and purees in seconds. The safety lid and automatic stop design ensure a secure cooking experience. Plus, cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe bowls and easy-to-wash components. Offering a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support, this food processor is the ideal kitchen companion for busy cooks. Ready to streamline your kitchen? Number 2. Tumo Electric Food Chopper, 2-speed. For cup capacity, 300W double S-blades. Elevate your kitchen game with the Tumo Electric Food Chopper. Whether you're chopping fruits, vegetables, or grinding meats, this versatile chopper has you covered. Featuring 2 speeds, press the 1 button for soft ingredients and the 2 button for tougher ones like meat and nuts. With its powerful double S-shaped blades, it ensures even chopping in just 6 to 10 seconds, saving you time and effort. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for chopping, pureeing, and making sauces like pesto or avocado sauce, ideal for baby food prep too. The 2 4-cup bowls allow you to separate ingredients for optimal processing, while the non-slip base ensures stability during use. Easy to clean and backed by a 2-year after-sale service, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. Ready to chop, blend, and puree your way to delicious meals? Number 3. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System, 1400W, 64-ounce capacity, Auto IQ technology, 5 functions. Transform your kitchen with the Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System, designed for ultimate versatility and performance. With 1,400 watts of professional power, it crushes ice blend smoothies and processes food to perfection. The total crushing blades ensure perfectly crushed ice for your favorite smoothies and frozen drinks. It features an 8-cup precision processor bowl for even chopping and smooth purees, and the 72-ounce pitcher lets you make large batches for the whole family. With 5 preset Auto IQ programs, making smoothies, frozen drinks, nutrient extraction, chopped mixtures, and dough is as easy as pressing a button. Plus, the included 24 ounces single-serve cups with spout lids make it easy to enjoy smoothies on the go. Get ready to elevate your kitchen game with Ninja's latest innovation. Are you ready to blend up something amazing today? Number 4. Hamilton Beach 3-cup food chopper, stack and press design, 350W motor, dishwasher safe. Simplify your food prep with the Hamilton Beach 3-cup food chopper. Featuring a patented stack and press design, this chopper is incredibly easy to use. Just stack the lid on top and press to chop, no complicated twist locking required. With a 350W motor, it effortlessly powers through tough ingredients like onions, carrots, nuts, and herbs, making it perfect for chopping, pureeing, and emulsifying. The 3-cup capacity is ideal for daily use, while its compact size ensures it won't take up much storage space. Plus, the durable stainless steel blades and built-in oil dispenser for emulsifying dressings and sauces add versatility. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Ready to make meal prep easier? The Hamilton Beach Chopper is your go-to kitchen companion. How about chopping up a new recipe with ease today? Number 5. KOS 2-liter electric food processor, 500W powerful motor with reversible blade and safety lock. Experience ultimate convenience in the kitchen with the KOS 2-liter electric food processor. Powered by a 500W motor and S-shaped bi-level blades, this compact yet powerful appliance chops, blends, purees, and minces with precision in just 10 seconds. Featuring 2 bowls with an 8-cup capacity, you can work with different ingredients simultaneously without mixing flavors. The detachable bowls and blades are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, while the rubber rings minimize noise and keep bowls steady. With 2 speed modes, including a pulse function, you have full control over your food processing. Built with safety features like a hidden switch and overheating protection, it's designed for worry-free use. Whether you're preparing meals for a family or just chopping for a recipe, Kao OS delivers speed and efficiency. Are you ready to explore quick and efficient meal prep with this versatile processor?
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.